Hello everyone, it's Patty. Happy Friday, and today I will be sharing with you my setup of this gorgeous Aura Estelle planner using the March kit from the Planner Society. This planner is an A6 size, so it's a smaller one that I normally use, and it will be used mostly for notes. And the color is Angel Eyes, which I think is a perfect match to the beautiful, beautiful colors from the March kit, which, I mean, they blew me away. And again, this is an A6 traveler notebook. Now let's take a look on the inside. Now, as you can tell, the Aura Estelle planner has a couple of pockets here, and since I didn't have many stickers to fill it with, and I wanted to add a little color on this side of the traveler notebook, and so I had the scrap of paper from my favorite paper from the kit, which is also used in my first dashboard, and I just cut it down to size, rounded the corners, and so it just creates a little bit of color, so you know, there's an easier transition from one side to the next. And then for the pockets, I have just used a little of a paper clip from a previous kit from Christy. Same thing with the stickers. And then I have the washi card that came with the kit, and I used the washi from the kit. It was stunning. Then this little paper clip is from Scribble Prints Co., and it came with an older kit. Then I have these little page flags that were from Target, I think, you know, years ago. Clearly, I don't throw anything away. And I actually like to add these because they just add a little touch here and there without, you know, using that too much real estate. Now, for as always, I have only 3 sections in my traveler notebook because that's how much I use. But again, this is be more for note takings and things like that. I don't have a specific purpose for it yet, but I just love this color. So my first dashboard, it's actually clear acetate that came in the kit. It's got the little beautiful stars, and I just added the shine sticker from the kit. And on the first, so for basically all my dashboards, I use the journaling cards that came with the kit, just trim them down a little bit. And I was trying to think of what color I wanted to you know, layer it with, because there's a lot of white and pink. I found that the white would kind of blend in too much with the background, and so I have this paper, which is a very thick cardstock from Hobby Lobby. It's got little sequins on it, and it's a pain to cut, but it's a really cute effect. So I thought I will bring out all the little accents of silver and holographic that are all over the kit, and then I put little eyelets that look like buttons, and you'll see the same in you know, every dashboard. And these are from Michaels. And then one of these sequins bow that I bought from Etsy, but they sell, not Etsy, actually from eBay, but they sell them on Amazon as well. I'm actually running out of them. I'm gonna have to refill. And then for the side here, I have used these the glitter edges from Christy. These are older ones, and they kind of not match perfectly, all of them, because I ran out a little bit, but this is my favorite size for smaller planners, so this is the thin one, and these are my favorite. I mean, I use them in every single layout. Then for the back here, I could have double-sided it, but honestly, I'm trying to keep my paper. I didn't want to waste it, and I kind of like the gray. I think the gray goes with the silver, and so I like the transition from it. And then you'll see the inserts, which are all lists inserts from Annie Plants Printables. She has this particular listing, which is, you know, all lists and notes. It's a bundle, and it's from, you know, collaboration with Christy. So you can find it on Annie's store. And then in the back here, I just use an older little plastic pocket that has a little star on it. And then this is one of the washi cards that came with the kit. I just added the washi from this month. And then here I created a little bit of a little scene using a couple of the die cuts. So I layered the die cuts on what are they called, 3D dots. So the first one here on the bottom with the 2 candles is layered, and then I added more glue dots here on top. So it is a little thick, but it's not that bad actually. So you know, it's a little chunky, but it works. And then I've added the word "I've got this." It also comes in the kit. I put it on these little strips that are 3D, so you can just like raise it, just because I love having things, you know, creating depth basically in my dashboards. And then here is just a little bow from Hobby Lobby. Then here is the back of the acetate, and I use the word "be kind" from the kit, and I put the little stars here, just spread them out, you know, randomly like that on the acetate. And then the second section starts with the washi dashboard that I did just using basically all the washi from the kit, aside from the big one, which is gorgeous, but I just thought that you know, because it's such a small planner, that would have been way too much washi and the size, and so I couldn't use it, but I used all the other ones. I used the glitter edges that came with the kit, which are beautifully, you know, they have this little star little pattern on them, and then this little bow sticker is from Simply Gilded. And then on the inside I have the other acetate, and on the acetate I attach the pen loops. So the pen loops I normally don't use, just because most of the planners that I have pen loops, and I have just cut out the little you know, there's usually a little elastic loop here on the side, and I just use it as a bow because I like the way this color was kind of peeking through the acetate. And then here is my second insert. Again, the setup is exactly the same as the first one. The only difference is that I have used a different background paper. I didn't think that the sequin paper was, you know, a good match here, just because it's a more muted kind of look. So I have used this really thick glitter paper from Always Hobby Lobby. And then I added the word Keep Going here on those 3D dots. I couldn't really do it over here because I thought I wanted to keep it a little more simple. I thought just for the front, it would have been a little too busy. And then again, glitter edges in a different color. And this is another one of the little inserts from that bundle from Annie. And love this paper. I mean, how gorgeous is that paper? It's just stunning. And then here's the back. And here for the back, I used the other journaling card that matches the, you know, the paper so well, and it's the same setup as the front, and it's just super cute. You know, this is such a soft, sweet you know, kit. The colors are so perfect for spring. It's just very soothing to me. And then here is the other acetate. Initial is from Michaels. Then here's the back of the washi tape, the washi dashboard, and here's another sticker from Simply Gilded. Now, last section, and this is the vellum, which is absolutely stunning. It has all the little star accents on it. I used the other pen loop here because it matches. And then under it, so it's kind of like a tone on tone. It's the same, and I don't find it redundant. I just feel like sometimes when the pattern is really busy, if I match two different patterns, it'll be a little too much. And on this one, I just kind of wanted to reinforce the pattern. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you know, it's just like I find it ease. Whatever is easier to look at, you know, whatever is more soothing to the eye, that's what I go for. And this is probably my favorite little journaling card. And again, I used the glitter background here just because it matched better, and it says make your today count. And if I can go back, actually, because I just realized I forgot to mention that the reason that I picked this journaling card, it's not only because it's beautiful, but it says, I just love what it says here. And it says, there are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. And it's just so, you know, it's so true for what we're going through right now. So I love to have the positive reinforcement, that kind of reminder that we kind of need every day, that better things are ahead of us. So let's hang in there, guys. And again, glitter edges here, so super easy. Same inserts which come in the bundle from Annie, collaboration with Christy. And then at the very end, I just have another one of the pockets from Christy. These are the pastel ones with the little bows on them. And then I created another little scene, so I did the same thing. I layered the little die cuts and I put them on 3D dots, added the little phrase, remember this. And then I have just kind of like little stickers. I cut down the stickers from the kit to size because these are really tiny pockets. And then in the back here, of course, I have to put Planner Girl because I am a Planner Girl, and this is from the kit as well. And then in the back, I did the same thing with the little cardboard, with the little cardstock paper. And then I added the little notepad here. And then this is a little paper clip from Peony's Papery, and I love the way it went with it. So this is a super quick, super easy setup. It only took me didn't take me that long, so it's if you like to replicate it, it'll be a quick project. But I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me on Instagram at Planning Fancy, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye bye.